Hey gang, Jason here for the love of tractors. I hope the hum of my 3D printer back there isn't too loud, but I'm going to do a short review of the 1/64 scale Cap 272 D2 and 297 D2. So these are really cool, and these are from Die-Cast Masters, so it's like that 950M that I did the other day. Really neat outfits here. I'm going to get these opened up and let's take a look at them. Alright guys, so here's everything out of the package. The first thing you'll notice, of course, is you get the track, which is the 297, and then you get the wheel version, which is the 272. I think I just said 297, it's 292 on that one. Anyway, and then you also get these accessories, which are really cool. So you get a lot for the price of this kit. Check out the post hole digger there. And then we get forks for each one. Now to pop those off, you just kind of give that a little pull, and now you can swap out your accessories on that. I'm going to leave the bucket on here for now, because that's probably what's going to be on these on my model farm. So, what we got here? So tracks don't roll great, but they kind of roll. So I think you could probably stretch those out some and get them to roll pretty well. Nice detail on the track undercarriage there. And then, of course, this raise and lowers, your bucket dumps, all of that great stuff there. Check out, we've got a nice door. I'm wondering if this door pops open. It kind of looks like it could, but maybe not. I'm going to go with no. But check that out. You've got a detailed operator station. You got your joysticks in there, your seat, all of that fun stuff. Undercarriage is plain Jane, or the underside's plain Jane. Moving around here, looking good. I really love the decals on these. They look great, nice and crisp. And then moving around to the back side where you've got your motor. Again, nice crisp decals. You've got your lights, your reverse lights, brakes, all that sort of thing. Really cool outfit there. Coming over to the wheel version, basically you got the sort of same setup, except for we've got wheels this time around. So pretty neat in general. These are cool. These are going to look great on a model farm, model train display, model whatever you're making, construction, etc., etc. Let's just pop a post hole digger on one of these. That post hole digger is neat. So it moves. It's got some movement to it. All that good stuff there. It's stiff, but boom, put that on. Look at that. We're ready to put in some fence posts. Well, that might be overkill for fence posts, but you could still use it for fence posts, definitely. Yeah, those are cool. Those are really cool. So you've got kind of like this brush attachment, or I guess more of like a tiller attachment, whatever. I'm sure that's got some construction use. I'll get that popped on here. Well, maybe. That one's being a little contrary. Whew. There we go. There we go. Got it snapped on there. That's what that guy looks like. So really neat. Now, probably another thing, you know, a lot of livestock guys have these skid steers and they feed with them and all sorts of stuff like that. So maybe something like that. Pretty neat. So these are really cool. I'm glad I was able to pick these up. These are from Die-Cast Masters. They're very inexpensive, guys. So really neat outfits. 1/64 scale, which is what's great. We've definitely needed something like this in 1/64 scale. Something that's kind of looks nice, has a little bit of detail. Got all the attachments. Really cool. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this. I know it was a short video, but hey, they're little pieces of equipment there. Have yourselves an awesome day, guys. Happy tractor hunting.